Hello guys, welcome to our page, our YouTube channel. So today we have also our special guest from Andhra Pradesh. So they are pursuing here MBA. So we will talk to them. Hello, namaskaram.
నమస్కారం.
నమస్కారం.
మీరు ఎలా అరను?
మేము బాగున్నాం.
మేము బాగున్నాం. మీరు బాగున్నారా?
Okay, nam baguram. Okay. So how are you all? Okay.
Yes, we are all fine
Yes.
here.
Which course you are pursuing from here?
I am studying MBA Business Analytics here, and she was
And
studying
I'm
MBA
pursuing
Agribusiness.
MBA Agribusiness.
Okay. From Andhra Pradesh, which city exact you are?
Srikakulam district.
Srikakulam district. Okay. How much far from here it is?
It's approx 2,100 kilometers from here.
Okay, 2,100 kilometer. So how you know about the DBU? Like too
Actually,
far?
we are searching from the colleges in the internet,
And we seen
and
it's
we
a
just
best
found this
college.
page.
So,
Okay. You said okay. Before, what's your UG courses? What you pursued?
I
I'm
have
doing
studied
in a
BBA
yeah.
in Srikakulam in the
From
local
where?
college only. Srikakulam, Gayatri Institute of Management Sciences.
And I'm pursuing BBA in Andhra University, Visakhapatnam.
Okay, you both are brother or sister, friends?
We are more than friends, like brothers and sisters. We just came from one place.
Okay, you just came from one place. Okay, how is your overall experience at DBU till now?
एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट DBU अच्छा था. जब पहले आए तो थोड़ी सी मतलब हुई थी प्रॉब्लम कि हाँ यार इतनी दूर आ गए, कैसे क्या होगा. फिर आने के बाद पता चला यहाँ पे एनवायरनमेंट बहुत अच्छा है. అండ్
అంటే ఇక్కడ చదువుకోవడానికి వచ్చే వాళ్ళందరూ మిడిల్ క్లాస్ ఉంటారు, హై క్లాస్ ఉంటారు. కానీ మిడిల్ క్లాస్ పీపుల్కి ఏంటంటే ఫీజ్ అండ్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ దే హ్యాస్ టు బి గుడ్. ఇంత దూరం వచ్చి చదువుకోవాలంటే ఫీజు కూడా బేర్ చేయగలిగి ఉండాలి. పైగా ఇక్కడ మా పేరెంట్స్ విన్నది ఏంటంటే నార్త్ సైడ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ గుడ్.
Yeah.
సో దాట్స్ వై కాలేజ్ గురించి సెర్చ్ చేసే ప్రాసెస్లో వీ హ్యావ్ ఫౌండ్ దిస్ DBU కాలేజ్ అండ్ వీ జస్ట్ జాయిన్ హియర్ బై ద సజెషన్ ఆఫ్ మై సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ మేడ్ అన్ ఎంక్వైరీస్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్ గుడ్ అబౌట్ ఇట్.
Okay. In the MBA, how much DBU promoting as a practicality and as in entrepreneurship, which is a emerging field in today's world, and most of people doing their startup. And for startup, if you are doing a job, so you have to be that kind of knowledge. So how is DBU promoting you?
See, DBU is promoting very successfully promoting the entrepreneurship, but not only for college students and every students in our class, they also trying to first they want to do jobs, and in the job process they just want to make a research about their startup business, and then they can know how to make a business successfully to run in the world.
Okay. And your experience?
it's about my experience. It's actually a good when they're pursuing like they pushing us for entrepreneurship and all that way. It's a good actually. It's a very good experience to मतलब यहाँ पे आने के बाद इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस, ये जो फील हमें वहाँ पे भी नहीं मिला था, तो यहाँ पे आके थोड़ा अच्छा बेटर फील हो रहा है. एंड अच्छा लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स को मतलब मोटिव मिलता है कि यार आप लोगों को ये करना चाहिए, इस तरह ऐसे गाइडेंस मिलता है.
Okay. And how is climate and environment of Dehradun?
Actually, the climate is very different from there and here. Actually, here every time we just feeling cold, and every time we are just feeling hotness there. But we are adjusting this climate. Actually, this climate is also very pleasant here. Actually, we are
It's actually a very peaceful environment.
Okay. So main thing like how much Hindi do you learn here?
actually she knows Hindi.
I knew Hindi because
she
I am
studied
from
everything.
KV Kendriya
Yeah,
Vidyalaya,
Central
and so I know Hindi. मुझे हिंदी बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आती है. एंड मैं ये नहीं बोल सकती कि मुझे तेलुगु आती नहीं है, बट मैं एक्चुअली मेरे ग्रेजुएशन में आने के बाद मैंने तेलुगु सीखना स्टार्ट किया था.
Okay,
तो
and
आई हैव
how-
अ लिटिल बिट प्रॉब्लम
How
इन
you are
तेलुगु.
improving your Hindi here?
Yes, bro, but it's been just 5 months only I just came here.
Yeah.
But I can understand Hindi, but I cannot speak properly. But I'm trying to speak Hindi because
Yeah.
of my friends and everything. They are trying to help me learning Hindi very much.
Yeah, one of question is that you are from different region, different language, different diversity. How is the experience at here? Would you understanding? Would you learning new thing with the new friends and diversify culture? Can you just elaborate about it? Like,
See, diversifying means when we are going to somewhere, we just usually face the diversification because people from different backgrounds and different places, they all come together and study at one place. That is called the university.
Yeah.
Because here in my section only there are my friends from different states. One is from West Bengal, one is from UP, UK, and Gujarat, and so many Haryana states where people say there. But their language is same, but they can understand Hindi, but I cannot. But they are not treating me as separately, but they are trying to make me understand Hindi, and they are making me to speak in Hindi, and they are sharing and explaining, and they are receiving my emotions and everything very good actually here.
And how is it?
अबाउट मी इट्स अ वेरी गुड एक्चुअली मुझे पहले से ही हिंदी आती है सो आई डोंट हैव दैट मच प्रॉब्लम विद दैम सो मैं फर्स्टली मैं बहुत ही मतलब मैं एक ऐसा पर्सन हूँ मैं जिसके साथ भी मतलब मिलती हूँ आई विल वेरी क्लोज टू दैट तो
Yeah.
अबाउट दैट पार्ट ऑफ दैट मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा है यहाँ पे मुझे जो भी दोस्त मिले हैं एंड आई लाइक स्पेशली हियर द कल्चर एक्टिविटीज़ लाइक मतलब म्यूज़िक का एक अलग सा कल्चर है यहाँ पे आई लाइक दैट थिंग because I was a musician, so definitely I will.
Yeah, Uttarakhand is a Hindi speaking and north
Yes.
courses. So maximum teacher are speak Hindi. So how is your experience with the professor? Is you are comfortable with the Hindi? How they teach you in all the Hindi or English? How is your experience about this
No,
study?
actually, according to the coming to the classes and everything,
Yeah.
while the teachers were being from here, but they are not teaching classes in Hindi, but they are trying to improve the English skills in students, because while in interviews or anything, English is the main important language, because they ask the questions in English and everything. They are trying to improve language skills in the students of English. So while they teach in the classes also, they are trying to teach us in English only. When they are something doesn't understand, then they will try to explain the other students in Hindi. Because I cannot understand Hindi, so that's why I was telling them, ma'am, I cannot understand Hindi, but you can teach me classes in English, and well better, and without letting me know, and they are only teaching the classes in English only. That's very good part of me here.
Okay.
Especially I was talking about our dean sir. He's a very good person and our dean sir is like a वो हमारे लिए यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट गार्डियन है सो आई रियली रिस्पेक्टेड हिम बिकॉज उनके अगर उनके सामने हमें अगर कुछ समझ भी नहीं आता ना ही इज़ ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड मी दैट थिंग नहीं बच्चों आप लोगों को सीखना है हम
Yeah.
आपकी लाइक दादाजी की उम्र के हैं आपको सीखना है ये चीज़ आपको करना है ये चीज़ जो है ये बहुत ही अप्रिशिएट करती है कि लाइक स्टूडेंट्स को कि हाँ हमें आना चाहिए हमें इधर आके पढ़ाई करना चाहिए परस्यू करना चाहिए सो
Okay, one word message from the DBU to our friend in South like Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and all. What's your message regarding the Dehradun and the study in DBU? In the Tamil or Telugu, which one?
తెలుగు అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇంత దూరం వచ్చి చదువుకుంటున్నాము అనేసి అంటే అదేం పెద్ద వేస్ట్ కాదు, ఎందుకంటే ప్రతి మిడిల్ క్లాస్ పేరెంట్ కూడాను వాళ్ళ బర్డెన్ అంటే ఫీజు యొక్క ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ చూసి వాళ్ళు ఎఫోర్డబుల్గా ఫీల్ అయితే వాళ్ళదే బాగుంటుంది. కానీ ఇంత దూరం వచ్చాక కూడాను it is being affordable to pay the fees here, and the education is also very good. Coming this far from here, it is not wasted for us.
Okay. And you?
ఎంత దూరం వచ్చి చదువుకోవాలి అనే ఒక థాట్ పెట్టుకున్న వాళ్ళకి అయితే దిస్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ కాలేజ్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ అఫోర్డబుల్ ఫర్ దో స్టూడెంట్స్ హూ కాంట్ అఫోర్డ్ ద ఫీ స్ట్రక్చర్ అండ్ ఇన్ అదర్ కాలేజెస్ విచ్ ఇస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ సో మై మెసేజ్ ఫర్ దెమ్ దట్ if you want to like learn but you just have a problem with your budget and all, it's a best college for them to
Okay.
learn more things here.
Okay, thank you so much. That's our talk with our friend from the south. So इनका एक्सपीरियंस अभी तक आपने देखा कि काफ़ी अच्छा इनका DBU में एक्सपीरियंस रहा है और 2100 किलोमीटर दूर से यहाँ पे पढ़ने आए हैं और इनने जैसे बताया अभी तक दैट ये फ्रेंड के थ्रू यहाँ पे कनेक्ट हुए थे, नॉन के थ्रू यहाँ कनेक्ट हुए थे, तो अभी तक का इनका एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा है. सो ऐसे ही आपको डिफरेंट रीजन के लोगों से डिफरेंट कल्चर डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज से आपको मिलाते रहेंगे. सो बने रहिएगा हमारे साथ. So it's your host Rana at DBU Digambar Singh Rana signing off. Thank you so much. Namaskaram.